Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how to start an online TV channel using Viloud. Before we dive into the details and show you how to get started, make sure to check the link to Viloud in the description below. Let's get started. First, log into your Viloud account. After logging into your Viloud account, you'll be greeted with the option to create your very first TV channel. You'll need to decide whether you want to make a linear or an on-demand channel. A linear channel allows you to schedule content to play at specific times, just like traditional TV programming. You can either set the schedule to loop, creating a continuous playlist of your videos, or arrange them in a set order for repeated airing. For this example, I'm going to create a linear channel. I'll start by naming my channel and selecting the option to generate a link, which I can then use to stream the content on any third-party video player or platform. After that, I'll choose whether I want a daily or weekly broadcasting schedule. Once that's done, I can fully customize the player by uploading a logo, adding a clickable link, picking the main color scheme, and even integrating my social media handles for a more personal touch. Next, we'll move on to scheduling the videos. Viloud gives you the flexibility to either choose from the existing videos in your content library or upload new ones directly from your computer. You also have the option to import videos from third-party sources. Once the videos are uploaded, it's as easy as dragging and dropping them into the calendar, building your channel's schedule. After everything is set, I can preview the channel in a separate tab to make sure it looks just right. Once I'm happy with it, I can embed the video player directly on my website with fully customizable playback and display options. Alternatively, I can use the link to stream it on a different platform. Creating a loop channel is just as straightforward. Just name it, set a start time, customize the player, and add the desired videos to your schedule. Viloud offers more than just linear and loop channels. You can also create an on-demand channel where viewers have more control over what they watch. The process is similar. Upload your videos, customize the channel's appearance, and you're ready to go. With on-demand channels, viewers can interact with the playlist and select the video they want to watch, giving them a more flexible viewing experience. That's how you can create your TV channel using Viloud. Don't forget to check the link to Viloud in the description below.